Notes automatically synchronize in real time across all your devices. Google Keep seamlessly synchronizes notes across all devices, offering a user-friendly platform for capturing and organizing ideas and information efficiently.
Google Keep efficiently manages and organizes your data from a single access point. Notes automatically synchronize in real time across all your devices, allowing immediate access whether you're using your phone or laptop. This feature enhances continuity and convenience in managing tasks and notes. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Google Keep is ideal for anyone wanting to stay on top of their digital life. It simplifies the process of capturing ideas, information, and images, making it effortless to keep your notes well organized and easily accessible. Google Keep acts as a staging area for your information and ideas before you decide their final placement. It's the fastest and easiest way to capture and refine thoughts, ensuring you never lose track of important notes, boosting productivity, and enhancing collaboration.